Hi guys, so we just came out from the Central Airport Plaza because I went to work, which is right around here, to make some copies. I will have to apply for a new passport soon because it runs out in February. And the next thing is we need some photos for the passport, so I'm going to take some pictures now. Before that, I'm going to cut my hair because it's very long, so see you there. Okay, so now we got our hair cut. A little bit shorter than I thought, but it's alright. And now we're going to take some photos for the passport. See you there. So now we're here near the Pukam Hotel and we're going to take some photos in the Fushi shop right across the street. Okay, we're done with the photos now and let's try to find some coffee now. Someone didn't make it across the road. So now we're here at the Wako Bake. There's a Zen garden here and some meeting rooms for companies. So that was the Wako Bake, and now let's pick up the photos and see what we do next. Okay, so now we got our pictures done and let's see where we head next. I think there's not too much to do anymore today, so we might just go home. So we actually went back home now and it's already pretty dark, so I just give you some quick updates and round it up for today. Now one thing that's worth showing is the papaya tree. It's pretty big. Those leaves are getting huge. Coffee looks good as well. I put that one in here because there have been many ants. This one is the ginger. Nothing at all is happening here. I think I'm going to give up on that. Nothing at all is happening with those avocados. There's a little crack in here. But nothing's really happening, so I'm not sure if I'll continue with that. The little dragons from the dragon fruit, they're doing okay, but they're growing very, very slowly. And one thing I didn't show you yet is that guava plant that's coming out of the seed here. So let's see if that one can survive. Something I really have to take care of this week are the pineapples. The roots are very long. I'm gonna have to put them into soil soon. Out of the seeds, there's only the chili growing or surviving. Then there's my orchid, and I think there will be flowers soon. Looks like it. So yeah, that was our day. Pretty normal day for us, and let's see you again next time. Thank you very much for watching Amazing Chiang Mai. The channel shows you the amazing of Chiang Mai. If you like this episode, please give us a like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.